Alrighty. There you go, our 7th week. Last week we didn't do anything because the weather was so bad that we didn't get a chance to check them out. Wow, lots of bees. Looks like they've been busy. Okay, this is our first honey frame that we put on about 2 weeks ago. Wow, look how many. Oh, and it looks like it's all drawn. The wax is all drawn there. Oh, I forgot to bring my little framer. Okay, let's check our frame number 10. Let's see how it looks. Wow. Looks like the wax, it's all drawn. It's got lots of honey in there already. This little corner. About a half of it is done on both sides. That's pretty cool. Let's leave this one out here. That's number 10. Number 10. The cells are almost all full. A little bit more than half on this one. Yeah, way more than half. Lots of honey in there. Yellow stuff. Look at that nectar. Number 8. Also looks good. Pretty heavy. Wow, look at that. A little bit of pollen in there. Wow, this one is 3/4 full. Number 8. Number 8. Number 7 looks completely full almost. Some of them are brown, I don't know why, in there. I don't know what that is. Wow, look at that. Nice job they're doing, it looks good. Number 6. So the middle, as you go towards the middle, they all look like pretty full. They're going to start capping soon, I think. That looks good. I don't know if they're eating it or maybe they got no food now. There's not much. Maybe I should feed them. Number 5. Same thing. I'll do one more, which go up to number 4, then it should be about the same as the other side. We normally work from the middle outwards. Wow, look at that. This one's pretty heavy, this one. Number 4, they're almost all the same. One more. Number 3. Number 3 looks better than 7, yeah. So this one's more fuller. Let's try number 2. Just to see the difference from one side to the other. Yeah, this one is fuller too, yeah. Yeah, it's about the same almost. And that one looks about the same. Okay, that's pretty good. Put them back. Always from the south is full, so south is to my right, and the north sides they seem a little emptier. I don't know if that makes a difference here. Let's break it apart. Let's go to now to our brew box. Go down to our brew boxes. Excluder. These look all full, man. Hey, and I gotta keep an eye on the queen now. Wow. Looks like it's fairly full, man. It's ripping apart. Wow. This one's so heavy. Wow. Look at all the nectar in here, Chisa. Look at that. That's full of honey. It's not capped yet. Wow, this one's completely honey here. And capped. Look at that, guys. Our first full capped frame. Excellent. Wow. That's how the other side is going to look. That is awesome. This one's completely capped too. Wow, but they're stuck to the bottom. Wow, look at that. Completely capped. Also. Both sides. Wow, I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. That's number 8. Sorry, number 9. Completely honey on both sides and capped. Number 7. Lots of honey and nectar, no eggs. Yeah, there's no, I don't see nothing. Yeah, there's larvae in there, one. I don't see in the other ones. I see one larva, two, a couple. Lots of drew capped here, lots of larvae here. Not quite. Those ones are empty. Okay, keep an eye on our queens. This is, it looks like she's been here, but there's lots of honey in here now. How come? On these ones. Lots of honey. No queen. This is our top box, top brood box. Put some smoke here, get rid of them. Wow. This one's got pollen. No eggs, no nothing. Lots of honey. I don't know if that's larva in there or not. They got lots of stuff to eat, so they're not starving. Okay, lots of here. No egg. Oh, lots of eggs here now, guys. I see lots of eggs there, so she's got to be here. A lot of tiny little larvae. See right down on the bottom, Chisa? Comes more to the middle. Don't put it that close. Right in there where all the bees are. Lots of larvae, big larvae, small larvae. Any queen? No queen on this one.
There she is.
You saw her again?
Is that her right there?
No, that's not her, no. No. She's lean and slim and golden. Alrighty. She's got to be soon. We'll find her. Number 6. Lots of honey in them. Like half of the frame's got honey in it. Lots of larvae here again. Lots of larvae. So she's laying. That's good. She's laying here. Lots of honey. Lots of brood. Capped. Lots of larvae. A lot of tiny little eggs. Look at those little larvae in there. Tiny, tiny, tiny little ones. In the bigger size. So they're days apart. This one here completely full of larvae. A lot of nectar. A lot of closed brood. Excellent. No queen here either. but I see nothing here. Wow, that's pretty cool. That was number 6, number 5. Number 5. Wow, they're putting a lot of nectar though in here. Lots of nectar they're putting in. I wonder why. This one's got no larva. I think, yeah, there's tiny ones there in the bottom. Yeah, little tiny ones there in the middle, but it's... what's going on here? Ooh, lots of here. Lots in there too. Lots. So she can't be in here. This one's completely full with honey and larva. Frame number 5 on the top box. They got lots of honey in these things. When I watch it on YouTube, they don't have that much honey on these brood boxes. Seems like you got lots here. This one's stuck to the bottom. Oh, the honey dripping out. This one is all empty. Looks like they must have hatched. There's some larva in there. She's got to be here then. The honey is dripping there. This one's pretty empty, or just hatched maybe. This side is also empty. Looks like they hatched. I don't see her. Lots of honey. We can try that honey out with our fingers. But lots of honey on the frames. Like half of the frames are full of honey. Okay, this side's got brood on one side. Some larvae. Oh, stuck to the bottom too. Pretty heavy though. Lots of honey these things got, man. They're like half of them are full of honey. This one's completely full, man. There's a little bit of larva on some of them there. Not much though. Wow, this one's all full of honey. So the brood's supposed to be in the middle, but these guys got everything full over here. Lots of honey, my God, man. Okay, I don't see her in this one either. She's got to be in the bottom one. I guess the bottom box. We'll soon find out. Let's go to frame number 2. Okay, let's get some smoke here a bit. Lots of honey, so I don't think I have to feed them. Let's check out number 2, also stuck to the bottom. Okay, this one's really stuck. Okay, got it. Pretty heavy. Same as the first one. Same as number 9. A little tiny bit of brood on the little end there. The completely capped honey. Completely capped honey. My Lord. All the outsides. And number 1 also completely capped honey. Look at that frame, man. Completely full of capped honey. Wow. Look at this one, man. It's so heavy and it's thicker because it was the outside box. Get some smoke on here. We're getting wild here. You okay there?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, we're gonna go to a separate box. Lots of honey in these frames. Not too much brood. So let's go down to the bottom box. Our brood box. Let's break the seal. That's good. Get some smoke in there. Slow them down for a little bit. Whoa, my lord, this is goddamn heavy. Very heavy. Wow, this one's full, man. Full of bees, full of everything. I also see some honey in there. Oh, I forgot to put that box back. Wow, that sucked. Let's get this one back in there. Slowly, so you don't kill the bees. Wow, I was walking on my arm, it's tickling me. Wow, man, this is completely full of honey in these outside ones. Need some smoke there?
No, I'm good.
That's a lots of bees compared from the first times, eh?
Yeah.
Like a lot of bees. Okay, let's get our first one out, number 10 on the bottom frame. Let's go slow so you don't crush them. Try and get them very evenly. That is good. Same thing. Lots of honey on the outside. Not fully capped. But that's good. Same thing with the inside part on number 10. So, excellent. Wow. I'm going to start cleaning this. They're getting stuck all over the place. Only thing I gotta be careful. Try not to leave this on the ground because then you're gonna get ants. You guys are gonna get a lot of stuff here. Try and keep it clean. There's a little bit of honey on it. Okay, let's go to number 9.
They're going crazy.
They're going crazy, all right. Yeah. They're bothering them, so they're going crazy. Number 9, outside completely capped honey. Both sides completely capped. That's good. No, lots of brood on the next one. So the bottom box has got a lot of brood. I can see it already on these ones. Lots of brood here. Lots of fresh brood here. Lots of larvae. Lots of honey. Lots of eggs. This one's completely full, so she's not down here either. Unless we missed her, but we'll probably find her. Lots of larvae on this side too. Lots of brood capped. Lots of eggs and honey.
There she is. Right there. Look, look, look.
Yeah, there she is. There's the queen. On frame number 7. There she is. So we're okay. So we don't have to look. Maybe we should look just to see how everything is. No swarm cells, no superseed cells on these ones. Since I haven't been in there, be careful with this one. So she's in this one, number 8. Sorry, number 7. Frame number 7.
You're gonna check them all out?
Yeah, let's check it out. We didn't do it last week, so let's see how they are. They feel lighter, so they hatched. She's laying. These ones are completely light, so
Wow.
they're full of brood, full of larvae. Look at this one here. Check all the big larvae now. Those are completely big larvae, little tiny larvae, and also eggs. So she's working perfectly. So the bottom box, where all the brood is, lots of larvae again. No cells, no swarm cells, no nothing. So they're good. Check out number 6. Same thing, very light. So they just hatched and she's laying. Bit there, a lot of honey in there. Lots of larvae. These ones still got a hatch, but there's fresh larvae in there too. I think they're good. No cells on the bottom, nothing. Good. Number 5. A few drones. This one is completely full. Lots of cap brood. Lots of cap brood. And then a little bit of larvae in that corner. Completely full. So she doesn't got much to go. She doesn't have too much to do here. They're all pretty full. Let's get a little bit of smoke here so we get them out of the way so I don't brush them.
Don't forget to put that one in.
Yeah, after. Yeah. We're good. We're very good. Do this one here.
Saying low on battery.
Why don't you charge it?
I did. Oh, I didn't. I charged it last week, but
Well,
let's see how long you can record for.
wow, look at all this. We can try this honey out.
We could just eat the honey like that?
Yeah. Wow, lots of bees in these, man. Lots of goddamn bees. Frame number 4. Very light. Lots of brood, lots of cap brood. Lots of hair, lots of larvae, lots of tiny little larvae. They're all larvae, no eggs. So they're, yeah, it's completely full. Nothing there on the bottom, we're good. That was number 4. This one's empty, so she's gonna come in here soon and lay eggs here. These ones got a hatch, bit of honey. So we're doing good. Everything is good. These ones are more fuller towards the outside. Lots of larvae, lots of cap brood, bit of honey. Same as the first ones here. All the honey on the outside ones on both sides, just a little bit of brood on number 1 and number 2. So just it's pretty consistent, so that's pretty good. This one's heavy as honey, I can tell, full of honey. Completely full of honey, the outside ones. 1 and 2 and 9 and 10, completely full of honey. Almost capped. Excellent. Okay, let's put it away. Same sequence. Everything is good, so I'm not going to do anything. Leave everything the same. Let's put them away. Let's get out of here. Let's leave them alone. We got lots of food so they can eat honey if they want. So I don't squeeze that first one. She was on number 8.
Yeah.
On the bottom box, bottom brood box. Okay. Squeeze that back in. Let's get number 10 done. Wow, completely capped. Look at that. That's excellent. Very gently. Some get squished, but that's not much you can do about it. It is what it is. Okay, so let's get this one back on. Oh my lord. It's already stuck to the bone. This is so goddamn heavy.
Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any comments, leave them below, and don't forget to give us some likes.
That back.
We'll be back for 8 week, right?
Yeah. It'll be our 8th week coming up, 2 months.
See you guys later.